2024, you guys. We made it. We are here, okay? It's a new year. Let's get it together. This is my 2024 social media devotion to myself as well as you guys. We need to be consistent, persistent, all of that. Okay, all of that. Specifically in this video, we're going to talk about social media, organizing, tracking, preparing, all that good stuff. This is mostly my 2024 devotion to social media and content posting and being a content creator. Me being the woman I am, I have a lot of goals, and this is what they are. Yeah, she in there. It's a lot, but I break them down into 3 categories. Those categories right there. Begin, how do I organize myself, right? So whenever New Year pops around, I always have to have a vision board. Always. Vision board is number 1, and it's never too late to make a vision board. This happens to be my vision board for 2024. Can y'all see it? Mostly what it's saying is I'm going to be successful. I'm going to be wealthy. I'm going to be healthy. I'm going to be that girl. I'm going to achieve all my goals. I have my dream car on there. I want to do some solo traveling. I even have a man on there. A man. What? But yeah. So those are my goals. So as far as social media goes, this is how I organize myself. Whenever I try to make goals for myself, I need something physical in front of me to remind me of everything that I'm supposed to be doing, what I need to be doing, and what I haven't done, okay? So I have this. This is my binder, okay? This is my social media planner. This is the holy grail. These are my physical copies of what I will be doing, monthly, quarterly, weekly, daily. All of that is in here. I need to see it in fine print. I need to see it in front of my face. I'm sorry, I can't do the digital social media stuff. I'm not gonna do it. I'm not. I need to mark off and check off physically. So I learned the business way of achieving your goals, okay? They break it down by quarters. They don't do yearly. They don't do month to month. It's quarters, okay? So 4 quarters in a year, 3 months each quarter. You try to achieve your goals by every quarter. Say it with me. 3 months per 1 quarter, 4 quarters, 12 months. Not difficult. And each quarter is going to have 1 month of everything that I'm supposed to be doing. Weekly. Basically weekly. Almost weekly. Kind of weekly. But it's basically 1 month full of stuff that I need to do. I need to film. And it's honestly very simple. I write what kind of videos I need to be making and what platform they need to be put on. And then I have breaks all through the month. So I'm not stressing myself out too much. Each video that I do, I have a topic discussion. And I have a social media planner. Okay? And I'm actually going to do one of these with you just so you see how I map out everything. But these help me stay organized. I have one for every form of content that is in this binder, as well as if I get any new ideas, anything pops up in my mind, brainstorm topic sheet. Write what it is right here, write the body of what you think will be good, what you think will be cool, what you want to do. As well as that, I also have a yearly planner, got it from the Dollar Tree, $1.25, the $1.25 tree. This is where I got this from. It's literally just a calendar, has some stickers at the front. Actually gonna do an example together. I have some content to do this weekend, which is film a weekend with me. So we're gonna go ahead and map out and organize what we need to do on that.
This is my 2024 quarterly social media tracker. Again, I split it into quarters, 3 months per quarter, don't forget. This is the month overview. So this is my first month. You can see everything that I have planned. I also have a social media content planner with Monday through Sunday of the days that I am going to post my content. As I'm flipping through, you can kind of get a feeling of how I fill this out. Everything is filled out, babes, everything. But this is what we're going to be working with. This is my weekend topic discussion as well as my social media planner to go with it. So to start off, I usually split everything into categories or what I'm going to be doing. So I am going to do breakfast, go to the museum, go to the movies, and then I have a question mark there just for extra stuff. After I do my main topics, I do subtopics. So for breakfast, I wanted a walk in, walk out. What am I going to do? And then the food. Specifically, how am I going to film the food? And for my walk in and walk out, what is it going to look like? Do I want the sign to be in it? Do I want people in my walk in, walk out? What kind of vibe do I actually want? For the museum topic, I do art and then I do an overview. For art, I just want different frames of the art, obviously, and topic discussions about it. For the overview, I just want to do kind of a montage of the whole museum to get that really vibey feeling. For the movies, I specifically wanted kind of like a pulling up to the show, an overview of the movie theater. I also wanted to rate the movie at the end of it, so I'm just putting in specifics right there. As for the question mark, there's nothing really there. I didn't really do anything else. But we're moving on to the social media planner, and this just is an overview of where it's going, what's the title, what's the descriptions, my to do list, and my hashtags. So, for my title, I did a weekend in Oklahoma. My topic is a weekend or a weekday with me. My platform I want to post it on is going to be YouTube. Stay tuned for that. I'm going to film it on Saturday, hopefully, post it wherever I said posted. On my to do list, this is mostly my to do list for YouTube. So I need to find the music, make my intro, upload, edit, upload to YouTube. My description is a weekend in Oklahoma with me, smiley face. The links to include would probably be the address to the museum, the name of the breakfast spot, and then the movie theater that I went to, maybe also the link to the actual movie. Who knows? Hashtags will probably be something like Oklahoma, weekend in OKC, movies, museum, spend the week with me.
And that, you guys, is my 2024 devotion to myself. I want to stay again, persistent, consistent, healthy, wealthy, all that good stuff. No, but I really want to be consistent. In order to be consistent, I have to be organized myself. I don't know how y'all get down. I don't know how y'all schedule and organize y'all's lives. But this is how I do mine. I hope this helped you out a little bit because this is what I do to organize my life. And so far, it's been really good. Have a good 2024, you guys. Bye.